What's happening? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to spatchcock this chicken, we're going to smoke it, and then we're going to turn it into some chicken noodle soup. Stay tuned. Alright, we got our whole chicken here. Going to want to pat it dry. So it's not so slippery when you're working with it. Alright. You're going to want to get you some sharp shears. We're going to go in at the tail. You can really go in at either side. Actually, let's go in at the neck. We're going to go in at the neck. Grab a hold of it right here. And just work your way through the bones. You can feel them. My shears could be a little sharper. Pull your bone out, set it to the side to make you some stock. Alright, now that that's removed, we're going to snip it right here in the middle. Get your shears, open them up, about that size. Snip right through there. Turn it over. Let's get this flipped out a little bit. And you're going to want to work with it. And just pop that breastplate so she lays flat. And just like that, she's spatchcocked. Now there's a little bit of extra skin over here on this side. I'm going to snip that away. Go ahead and oil up this side. Make the skin get a little bit crispier. Now chicken skin's a little bit funny, so once you put the seasoning on here, you're not going to want to rub it and pat it like you do with beef. Once you put it on the skin, if you start messing with it and touching it, it will start to like fall off and move in different spots, and it gets kind of annoying. So just be mindful of that. We're gonna go ahead and season it up. All right. You don't want too much seasoning because there's going to be more seasonings and flavors that go into your soup. This is just going to be the smoked chicken that's going in our soup. As you can see, we got our meter probe in. I got the smoker set to 200 right now, and we're going to smoke it for a little bit, and then I may raise it up, but I'll let you know if I do. All right, the chicken's up to 125. Let's go ahead and pull it out of here. Nice and smoky. She'll get finished in the soup. All right, our chicken is smoked up to 125. I'm gonna have to cut it in half, I think, to get it to go in the pot. So we're gonna do that real quick. There we go. I might have to cut it in quarters, but we'll see. Set this to the side for a second. We're gonna get everything in our pot, get the chicken down in there as long as it fits. If not, we'll quarter it again, and then we'll keep going. We'll start our soup. All right, go ahead and get you a 6 to 7 quart pot. I'm gonna use my induction pot, or my induction cooker this time. It's a little bit louder, but it does allow me to get a little more precise with my temperature and keep it at a good simmer while we're making the soup. 4 carrots, 5 celery, 3 bay leaves, 2 sprigs of sage, and 1 bunch of thyme. Four cups of chicken stock. 4 more cups of chicken stock. We have 1 teaspoon of adobo with pepper, 1 teaspoon of Miss Dash table blend, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I should start a blooper reel. I messed up. Another crucial part. I had to change it to a bigger pot and pull the chicken out. We forgot the onion. Go in with your 2 onions. 2 yellow onions chopped. All right, let's get our chicken back in. All right, now that it's coming to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and reduce the temperature and keep it at just a simmer for about an hour. All right, it's been an hour. Turn the heat off so the fan will cut off on this thing. We're gonna go ahead and pull the chicken. We're gonna let it cool just enough so that way we can shred it up, and then we'll put it back in here, season it up a little bit, and we'll be good to go. The bone came right out the leg. I'm gonna let this cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna shred the chicken, debone it, get all the bones out of it and everything, and then I'll get back with you guys when we're putting it back in here. Hey, if you out there, any farmers out there, if you recognize this chicken, let me know your farm, where it's located. Sorry, I'm a fucking idiot. All right, let's go back in with our chicken. We got our chicken in there, and we're gonna go in with the noodles as well as the chicken broth that we boiled them in. All right, let's go in with some salt. We're gonna go in with some fresh cracked pepper. About a tablespoon and a half. Another pinch of salt. Let's mix this around. And that's how you make chicken noodle soup with a spatchcock smoked chicken.